Welcome to Bike Update, your trusted source for the latest two-wheeler news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda Activa 125, Honda's most anticipated scooter in the premium 125 cubic centimeters segment. Design and styling. The 2026 Activa 125 carries forward the iconic design language of the Activa family but with a sharper, more modern appeal. Sleek LED headlamps, chrome accents, and refreshed body lines make it stand out while still maintaining its familiar everyday commuter look. Engine and performance. Powering the scooter is a refined 124 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, tuned for both smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. Honda has introduced advanced smart tech for quicker throttle response, reduced vibrations, and a more eco-friendly ride. Features and technology. This model comes loaded with modern features such as a fully digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation alerts, and smart key technology. The inclusion of Honda's enhanced Smart Power Plus system improves both mileage and pickup. Comfort and practicality. Honda has ensured maximum comfort with a wide seat, ample under-seat storage, and telescopic front suspension for a smoother ride on city roads. The scooter also offers an external fuel filler and USB charging port, making it even more practical for daily use. Safety and braking. The 2026 Activa 125 is equipped with Honda's Combi brake system along with optional front disc brakes and side stand engine cutoff. Wider tires and improved grip ensure confidence in varied road conditions. Price and availability. Honda is expected to launch the Activa 125 in multiple variants, catering to different budgets. The price is expected to be competitive in the 125 cubic centimeters premium scooter category, making it an appealing choice for both daily commuters and family riders. Closing. The 2026 Honda Activa 125 blends trusted reliability with modern design and smart features. It's Honda's answer to riders who want style, comfort, and technology in one complete package. Stay tuned with Bike Update for more two-wheeler reviews and